CSUDH Financial Aid Dropbox Submission Tutorial. Visit csudh.edu/fa-forms. On the Forms page, scroll to the bottom and click on the form that you need to submit. Use your mouse and hover towards the bottom of the screen and click the downward arrow button to download the form. Then on your computer, go to the Downloads folder and open the form in Adobe Acrobat. If you're not familiar with this program, check out our tutorial link in the video description. Once you are finished filling out the form, don't forget to save your document and be sure to include your name and your CSUDH ID number within the file name. Then go back to the Forms page and scroll to the top. Here you will see a variety of Dropbox folders. Click on the folder that applies to you. Then click the blue Add Files button or just drag the file into the upload area. Remember to only upload one file. If you have multiple files, you can use Adobe Acrobat to combine the files into one single PDF document. Then enter your full name and your CSUDH email address. Once you are finished, click Upload. Finally, a confirmation page will appear to let you know that your files have finished uploading.